What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. I hope everybody had a fantastic trading day overall. Of course, again, with Shiba Inu, if you pounced, right? When I was live earlier in the chat, I told everybody 700 Satoshi units was a very, very strong support line. We've bounced off of it multiple times. So really, really happy with the price action we saw afterwards. Went all the way up almost 10% on the day from its bottom. Now a little bit of a pullback. So again, buying opportunities are presenting themselves. Remember, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. Love how Trey says that. So again, overall price action, I'm pretty happy with it. We're holding up as the overall market is pulling back. We did see a sell-off from, basically the one-day high, the last 24 hours we saw after the whole Coinbase listing, big green candle. Unfortunately, we did see a little bit of a pullback. But if you look at the 30-minute and the 1 minute, again, trading pretty much sideways for the last hour, a little bit here. We're making decent gains, but again, still some selling pressure because the overall market is pulling back. But there are some fantastic catalysts on the way for Shiba Inu. So for the SHIB Army, let me tell you what those are, and let's see what we have to get ready and get excited about. First and foremost, Change.org. Shout out to Change.org for giving us recognition and putting us on their Twitter and platform. They tweeted out and said, if you haven't heard, there's a new cryptocurrency on the market introducing SHIBCoin, which is actually SHIB token. But they corrected it later on, this is why I love their organization so much. The market is buzzing and there's a petition with over 10,000 signatures asking GameStop to accept SHIBCoin. Retweet if you agree. So of course, a lot of people liked it and retweeted it. And just an hour ago, they gave us an update saying, ask and you shall receive. We heard you. It's a token, not a coin. So SHIB token, that's what it is, which is, we're grateful for the fact that they were so quick to responding and clearing it up. So check out the image here. And at GameStop, how about a retweet? So guys, with the entire, Wall Street bets fiasco, GameStop, Shiba Inu, can you imagine if this partnership actually came to play, what that would do for Shiba Inu? That would literally help us out so much because right now, meme stocks, right? These things that are undergoing these potential short squeezes, which already had some earlier this year, but with the trajectory and the potential with all the retail investors that have put money into these stocks, including AMC and GME or GameStop, if they start getting if they accept SHIB token as payment, all of those retail investors, the Wall Street bets community, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people, will guess what? In turn, probably invest in Shiba Inu. So for all of us as the SHIB Army members and people who are early investors, get excited because this is the exact kind of news that we want to see. So shout out to Change.org for continuing to put us on their platforms. So we know the petitions have been going and they see that. They see the number of overwhelming people, the overwhelming number of individuals who are signing all these petitions, and companies are listening. So keep signing, guys, keep signing. Now, GameStop has not retweeted or said anything yet in terms of a response, but I think it's coming. They're going to retweet, but there's a lot more news where that came from. And one thing I want to mention, because of everyone's demand and people asking me, hey, can you please make a Twitter account or become active on Twitter? So I actually activated my Twitter account again that I created earlier this year. So it's at YourPOP8. It's in the description if you want to hit me with a follow. Again, I like to retweet. I'm just learning about the Twitter space as a whole, but I've been retweeting, responding to everybody's messages. So go ahead and hit the follow button. Let's get it out there so more people know. Because again, I'll be sharing all my videos and information about Shiba Inu all over. So forget the moon, eyeing Pluto these days, because that's really the ultimate goal for a lot of us. Now, etoro. etoro tweeted out earlier this morning saying new crypto assets are coming. A lot of people have been speculating because they did mention Shiba Inu earlier on that it's not off the table. It's something that they're actually interested in listing because of the demand. And guess what? If eToro lists Shiba Inu next week, that is going to be a huge catalyst, folks. It's going to be a huge catalyst for all of us. So we all individually need to get extremely excited for what's to come. Going back to my Twitter quick here, I want to look at the SHIB Informer. So much happens on Twitter. So if you don't have a Twitter account, make one because I feel like this is the best place to get up-to-date news as soon as possible. So you guys know what happened. Certec. They said this Tuesday we'll be hosting an AMA with a hot crypto project. We're looking forward to enabling our community to get to know them even better. Can you guess which it is yet? All will be revealed soon. The SHIB Informer retweeted with stars emoji on the eyes, mind blown, and scary face. Guys, you and I both know who it is. SHIB Army, we know who this is. None other than SHIB token, more likely than not. And we know that Certec, the big thing with them is they are the auditing firm. They're the ones who are auditing Shiba Swap to hopefully get it released out there. So they're the ones that are we're undergoing the auditing day after day, and we've been, all these delays. That's due to these guys right here. They are the auditing group that is doing this for Shiba Inu and Shiba Swap. So as soon as they give us the clearance, Shiba Swap is live, etoro listing, Coinbase Pro. Right now they're working their technical difficulties to hopefully get it listed on Coinbase Pro. A few days later, it's going to get listed on Coinbase. The Robinhood petition is going insane. People are literally going manic. And guess what? This is literally only the beginning. So as we look at the cryptocurrency market pulling back, right? If you're pouncing on all these other plays, why are you not looking at Shiba Inu as well? Especially to the SHIB Army. If you look at the price action, look at this. Yes, significant sell-offs. We know where the support lines are. Look at the 7-day chart. We literally know where the support lines are. We know them. Right around that 700 Satoshi unit mark, guys. You could see them. Anytime you see a touch and bounce off at this line right here, look at that. Literally, just draw a line across. Let me zoom in for you guys real quick. Look at this. There's your 700 Satoshi unit mark. Look how many times it bounced off that level of support. Yes, it fell below a couple times, but it's holding strong there. So for conviction or giving us good entry points right at 700, that is a good time to pounce and get in. So make sure, if you haven't already and you're looking to get into Shiba Inu right around these prices, it's very, very attractive. Very attractive in my opinion. All right. So those are really the big updates that I have for you guys for the weekend. The next 48 to 72 hours are going to be extremely crucial. And I think really there's going to be an overwhelming amount of hype leading up to Tuesday's AMA. They're going to reveal that it's hopefully SHIB token here soon. And I think, again, guys, we're not looking at the moon anymore. We're eyeing Pluto. There's going to be hopefully exponential gains for Shiba Inu. And I'm holding firm by that. I'm not someone that is going to paper hand ever. I'm going to diamond hand. And if it dips, I'm going to buy the dip because I believe in it. And that's why I tell you guys, only invest in the companies and cryptocurrencies that you believe in, because when they dip, you're going to buy the dip. That's how it works. And if you don't, then you're going to sell low. You're going to literally sell as the price keeps tumbling down. You're going to get scared and paper hand out of your position and lose money. But if you believe in something, you're going to buy it on a discount. That's how things work. Want to mention quickly? Webull. Get your 2 free stocks. Click the link in the description, up to $2,300 for free. 1 in 50 of you will get a $2,000 stock, which is Google. Take advantage of these statistics. The odds are in your favor. And also with BlockFi, get your free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. Up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin, folks. Shout out to all the big things that are happening. Guys, really, the momentum is only shifting towards Shiba Inu now. And that's why I keep saying it's only the beginning. Hashtag it's only the beginning. Pay attention. I'll be updating you guys in the most timely manner that I can, especially on the weekends since I'm not working. I'll be giving you guys updates ASAP all the time. Again, hit me a follow on Twitter, because I'll start tweeting. If I can't get to a computer to record a video, at least I'll tweet out or retweet any big news that drops. So again, thank you so much for the overwhelming support, guys. I saw what you guys were doing on the live chat. Everybody, super chats left and right. Just the overall, it's overwhelming. An overwhelming amount of support. Everybody just talking so positively to one another, right? We saw the man who commented on the chat on the chat saying that he's from India, and he told us about the situation over there. And if you're not aware, of course, there's a health crisis with the whole pandemic occurring right now in India. And he gave us some perspective from his country, and a lot of people, overwhelming 99.999% of the people in the chat were saying we're with you, we're praying for you. So anyone that's listening, all the viewers from India, I'm praying for you and I'm hoping for the best. Really hoping for the best outcome when it comes to your situation, because I know it's hard. I know it's difficult, especially with the limited resources that are currently available, including the vaccine itself. So I really appreciate everybody's love and support. And thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time, then, keep investing.